Welcome to our guide on making data-driven decisions in marketing. In today's fast-paced business world, relying on intuition alone is no longer enough. Marketers must harness the power of data to make informed choices that drive results. This video will walk you through the essential steps, from understanding what data-driven marketing means to implementing strategies that maximize your campaign's effectiveness. Let's start by exploring why data matters and how it transforms marketing from guesswork into a science. Data is the backbone of modern marketing. It provides insights into customer behavior, campaign performance, and market trends. By analyzing data, marketers can identify what works and what doesn't, allowing for continuous improvement. Instead of relying on assumptions, data-driven decisions are based on facts, leading to more effective strategies and better outcomes. Understanding the importance of data is the first step towards smarter marketing. Data-driven marketing is a strategic approach that uses data to guide decisions and optimize campaigns. It involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to understand customer needs and preferences. By leveraging data, marketers can personalize messages, target the right audience, and measure success accurately. This approach ensures that every decision is backed by evidence, reducing risks and increasing the likelihood of achieving marketing goals. Marketing data comes in many forms. There's demographic data, which tells you about your audience's age, gender, and location. Behavioral data reveals how customers interact with your brand, such as website visits or purchase history. Transactional data tracks sales and revenue, while engagement data measures responses to campaigns. Understanding these types helps marketers choose the right data for their objectives. Effective data collection is crucial for making informed decisions. Marketers use tools like website analytics, customer surveys, and CRM systems to gather information. It's important to ensure data quality by avoiding errors and keeping records up to date. By collecting relevant and accurate data, marketers lay the foundation for successful analysis and strategy development. High-quality data is essential for reliable insights. Marketers must regularly clean their databases, remove duplicates, and correct errors. Data quality also involves verifying sources and ensuring consistency across platforms. By maintaining clean and accurate data, marketers can trust their analysis and make better decisions. Once data is collected, it's time to analyze it. Marketers use statistical tools and software to identify patterns and trends. Analysis helps uncover customer preferences, campaign effectiveness, and areas for improvement. By interpreting data correctly, marketers gain actionable insights that guide their next steps. For making decisions, marketers must set clear objectives. Objectives provide direction and help measure success. Whether it's increasing sales, boosting engagement, or expanding reach, having specific goals ensures that data analysis is focused and relevant. Clear objectives make it easier to track progress and adjust strategies as needed. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are metrics that track progress toward objectives. Common KPIs include conversion rates, website traffic, and customer retention. By monitoring KPIs, marketers can evaluate the effectiveness of their campaigns and make data-driven adjustments. Choosing the right KPIs is essential for meaningful analysis. Audience segmentation divides customers into groups based on shared characteristics. Marketers use data to segment audiences by age, location, interests, or behavior. Segmentation allows for personalized messaging and targeted campaigns, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversions. Data-driven segmentation ensures that marketing efforts are relevant and effective. Personalization uses data to tailor messages to individual customers. By analyzing preferences and behaviors, marketers can create content that resonates with each segment. Personalized marketing increases engagement, builds loyalty, and drives conversions. Data-driven personalization ensures that every message is meaningful and impactful. Testing is a key part of data-driven marketing. Marketers use A/B testing and experiments to compare different strategies. By analyzing results, they can determine which approach works best. Testing allows for continuous improvement and reduces the risk of costly mistakes. Data-driven experimentation leads to smarter decisions and better outcomes. Interpreting test results is crucial for making informed decisions. Marketers must look beyond surface numbers and understand the story behind the data. This involves identifying trends, recognizing patterns, and considering external factors. Proper interpretation ensures that decisions are based on meaningful insights rather than random fluctuations. Data-driven marketing is an ongoing process. Marketers must regularly adjust their strategies based on new data and insights. This could mean changing targeting, updating messaging, or reallocating budgets. By staying flexible and responsive, marketers ensure that their campaigns remain effective and relevant. Automation tools help marketers manage data and campaigns efficiently. Platforms like marketing automation software, CRM systems, and analytics dashboards streamline processes and reduce manual work. By leveraging automation, marketers can focus on strategy and creativity while ensuring data accuracy and timely execution. Integrating data from multiple sources provides a comprehensive view of marketing performance. Marketers combine information from websites, social media, email campaigns, and sales platforms. Integration ensures that all data is considered, leading to more accurate analysis and better decisions. Unified data helps marketers see the big picture. Data visualization makes complex information easy to understand. Marketers use charts, graphs, and dashboards to present data clearly. Visualization helps identify trends, spot opportunities, and communicate findings to stakeholders. Effective visuals turn raw data into actionable insights. Reporting is essential for sharing insights and tracking progress. Marketers create regular reports that summarize data, highlight achievements, and identify areas for improvement. Sharing insights with teams and stakeholders ensures everyone is aligned and informed. Effective reporting drives collaboration and supports decision-making. Not every campaign succeeds, but failures provide valuable lessons. By analyzing unsuccessful efforts, marketers can identify what went wrong and avoid repeating mistakes. Data-driven reflection turns setbacks into opportunities for growth and improvement. Embracing failure as part of the process leads to stronger strategies. Data-driven marketing is about continuous improvement. Marketers regularly review data, test new ideas, and refine strategies. This ongoing process ensures that campaigns evolve with changing market conditions and customer preferences. Continuous improvement keeps marketing efforts fresh and effective. Ethics play a vital role in data-driven marketing. Marketers must respect customer privacy, comply with regulations, and use data responsibly. Ethical practices build trust and protect brand reputation. By prioritizing ethics, marketers ensure that data-driven decisions are both effective and respectful. Mapping the customer journey helps marketers understand how customers interact with their brand. Data reveals touchpoints, pain points, and opportunities for engagement. By analyzing journeys, marketers can optimize experiences and guide customers toward desired actions. Data-driven journey mapping leads to better customer relationships. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future outcomes. Marketers apply predictive models to anticipate customer behavior, identify trends, and plan campaigns. By leveraging predictive analytics, marketers can make proactive decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Optimization is a core principle of data-driven marketing. Marketers use data to refine targeting, adjust messaging, and allocate resources efficiently. Optimization ensures that campaigns deliver maximum impact and return on investment. Data-driven optimization leads to smarter spending and better results. Data helps marketers allocate budgets effectively. By analyzing campaign performance and ROI, marketers can invest in channels that deliver the best results. Data-driven budget allocation ensures that resources are used wisely and supports strategic growth. Choosing the right marketing channels is crucial for success. Data reveals which platforms your audience prefers and where campaigns perform best. By selecting channels based on data, marketers can reach customers more effectively and maximize engagement. Data-driven content strategy involves creating and distributing content based on audience interests and behaviors. Marketers analyze data to determine what topics resonate, which formats perform best, and when to publish. This approach ensures that content is relevant, engaging, and effective. Social media platforms provide valuable data for marketers. Analytics reveal engagement rates, audience demographics, and content performance. By monitoring social media data, marketers can adjust strategies, improve targeting, and boost campaign effectiveness. Email marketing generates a wealth of data. Metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions help marketers evaluate campaign success. By analyzing email data, marketers can refine messaging, segment lists, and improve results. Website analytics track visitor behavior, traffic sources, and conversion paths. Marketers use tools like Google Analytics to monitor performance and identify opportunities for improvement. Data-driven website analysis helps optimize user experience and increase conversions. Customer feedback provides direct insights into preferences and satisfaction. Marketers collect feedback through surveys, reviews, and social media. By analyzing feedback data, marketers can address concerns, improve products, and enhance customer relationships. Analyzing competitors helps marketers identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. Data reveals competitor strategies, market positioning, and performance. By benchmarking against competitors, marketers can refine their own strategies and gain a competitive edge. Monitoring market trends keeps marketers informed about industry changes. Data reveals emerging technologies, shifting consumer preferences, and new opportunities. By staying up to date with trends, marketers can adapt strategies and stay relevant. Retaining customers is more cost-effective than acquiring new ones. Data helps marketers identify retention drivers, measure loyalty, and develop strategies to keep customers engaged. By focusing on retention, marketers build lasting relationships and increase lifetime value. Acquiring new customers is essential for growth. Data-driven acquisition strategies target the right audience, optimize messaging, and track conversion rates. By analyzing acquisition data, marketers can improve targeting and maximize results. Analyzing the sales funnel helps marketers understand how customers move from awareness to purchase. Data reveals drop-off points, conversion rates, and opportunities for improvement. By optimizing the funnel, marketers increase sales and drive growth. Attribution modeling assigns credit to different marketing channels for conversions. Marketers use data to determine which touchpoints contribute most to sales. Accurate attribution helps optimize channel mix and allocate resources effectively. Measuring return on investment (ROI) is essential for evaluating marketing effectiveness. Data tracks costs, revenue, and profit margins. By calculating ROI, marketers can identify successful campaigns and make informed decisions about future investments. Customer lifetime value (CLV) measures the total revenue a customer generates over time. Data helps marketers calculate CLV and identify high-value customers. By focusing on CLV, marketers can prioritize retention and maximize profitability. Data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA impact marketing practices. Marketers must comply with laws, obtain consent, and protect customer information. Understanding regulations ensures ethical data use and avoids legal risks. A data-driven culture encourages everyone in the organization to use data for decision-making. Marketers promote data literacy, share insights, and foster collaboration. Building this culture ensures that data-driven marketing becomes a core part of business strategy. Training helps marketers develop data skills and stay up to date with new tools. Workshops, courses, and certifications build expertise and confidence. Investing in training ensures that teams can make data-driven decisions effectively. Data-driven marketing faces challenges like data overload, integration issues, and skill gaps. Marketers overcome these by prioritizing relevant data, investing in technology, and fostering a learning environment. Addressing challenges ensures that data-driven strategies are successful. The future of marketing is increasingly data-driven. Advances in technology, artificial intelligence, and analytics will continue to transform how marketers make decisions. Staying ahead means embracing innovation, adapting to change, and continuously improving strategies with data. Data-driven decision-making is the foundation of successful marketing. By collecting, analyzing, and acting on data, marketers can create effective campaigns, optimize strategies, and achieve business goals. Remember to prioritize data quality, set clear objectives, and embrace continuous improvement. With a data-driven approach, marketing becomes more strategic, impactful, and rewarding.